This video will cover the use of the seating chart. To access the seating chart, tap on the chair icon to the left of the class name. The first time, all the students will be on top of each other there, but it's a good idea to set up a template for how the seats are arranged in your class. To do that, tap the pencil icon on the top row. And the app supports two templates, so you can have two different seating arrangements in case you have a lab class or you just rearrange the seats in your room. To set up the template, tap the number of seats that you would like. In this case, I'm going to use 20. And the seats will appear, and you can drag them to your arrangement. If you're going to sync the app between an iPad device and an iPhone, set up your seating chart on the smallest device. That way it'll fit both the device and the iPad. Since the iPad's bigger, it can actually have a larger seating chart. I'm just going to move a couple of the seats. The numbers here correspond to the numbers if you want to fill out the seating chart randomly with students. So in that case, it'll seat from seat 1 going up. I'll leave it like this for now. If you want a second template, tap on the template and it'll change to template 2, and then tap again for template 1. You can easily use the +1 seat to add more seats, and if you need to remove a seat, simply tap any seat and you have the option to remove it. Tap the back arrow to go back to your seating chart. In order to display the template, tap on the settings icon, which is the gear near the top right, and select choose seating template, and in this case, template 1. You will now see an outline of the seats. Now you can simply drag students to where you want to seat them. Also, if you want to seat students more easily, simply tap on any seat. A list of student names will appear, and you can seat them directly that way. I'll put Maria there. And lastly, on the top row, there's the reset icon, which is the circle with the arrow. Tap on that and choose random order, and this will seat all the students in the order that you want there. And then you can move students around if needed. Once this is done, you can take both attendance and grades on the seating chart. If you select at the top row there, none, then all you have is the names and the pictures. You can always take a screenshot and email that, so if you have a substitute day or you just want a record of your seating chart, that's a good thing to do. Tap on the check icon, will show the latest attendance day, and here now you can simply tap a student, for example Bridget, and you can change the attendance that way. You can also long press on a student, and that will change the attendance from present to absent to tardy. And that's a quick way you can take attendance. You can also tap on the A+ icon at the top. This will show you the latest assignment, and tap on any student, and you can enter or change the grades. And again, like the main screen, you can long press on the student, and you'll get the option of having assignment marked absent, missing, or exempt. Once you've seated all the students, it's a good idea to actually tap the lock icon on the top right. What this will do is lock the seat, so now you can't accidentally drag a student while you're taking grades or attendance. And then later on, if you ever need to redo the seating chart, you can always go ahead and unlock that way. So this way, it's very easy to track where your students are, take grades. You can also tap on the class at the left there and switch classes directly from the seating chart. I hope you all enjoyed this feature.